Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Despoiled Divinity in Trove. This valuable resource is essential for crafting some of the game's most powerful gear, helping you advance quickly. We'll cover the most efficient methods to farm it, ensuring you maximize your gains. Understanding where and how to find it will significantly boost your progression. Let's dive into the best strategies to start collecting this important material today. To efficiently farm Despoiled Divinity, focus on Uber 8 or higher difficulty worlds. These zones offer significantly better drop rates from all enemies. Prioritize defeating shadow giants and other world bosses, as they often provide guaranteed drops of this valuable resource. Additionally, keep an eye out for hourly challenges and special events. Participating in these can yield bonus rewards, including extra Despoiled Divinity, making your farming efforts even more productive. Maximizing your Despoiled Divinity gains involves a few key strategies. First, choose a class with high mobility and strong area of effect damage to clear groups of enemies quickly. Second, equip gear that boosts your magic find stat. This increases your chances of rare drops, including Despoiled Divinity. Finally, consider teaming up with friends. A well-coordinated group can clear content much faster and more safely, leading to more efficient farming runs and greater overall success. For some final tips, always check the in-game marketplace. You might find opportunities to buy or sell Despoiled Divinity or other materials you need. Joining an active club can also be incredibly beneficial, as members often share farming efforts and resources, making your journey easier. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, and other helpful resources to enhance your Trove experience. Happy farming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.